Quick question. When you picture heat stress at work, what comes to mind? Construction sites, farmers under the sun, road crews in the blazing heat. But here's the thing. Heat stress doesn't stay outside. Think about a commercial kitchen. Ovens blasting, steam everywhere, no airflow. Chefs work hours in there wearing heavy uniforms. Think about a laundry or textile factory. Hot machines, poor ventilation, workers standing near dryers all day. Think about warehouses with tin roofs, or boiler rooms, or even offices during a heat wave with broken air conditioning and closed windows. Heat stress happens whenever your body can't cool itself down fast enough. And that can happen almost anywhere. So who's actually at risk? It's not just about the job. It's about the conditions. High temperatures, sure, but also high humidity, heavy protective clothing, physical exertion, and poor air circulation. Older workers are more vulnerable. So are people with heart conditions or those on certain medications. New workers who haven't adjusted to heat yet are at higher risk too. Even fit, healthy people can be affected if the conditions are extreme enough. Now, what does heat stress actually do to the body? It starts small: fatigue, headache, dizziness, muscle cramps. If it continues, it can progress to heat exhaustion, heavy sweating, weakness, nausea. And in serious cases, it can lead to heat stroke. That's a medical emergency. Confusion, very high body temperature, and it needs immediate medical attention. The point is, this isn't just discomfort. It's a real occupational health risk, and it builds up gradually, often before people even realize what's happening. So what can we actually do about it? First, hydration, not just when you're thirsty. Regularly, throughout the shift. Second, breaks. Short, frequent breaks in a cooler area make a real difference. Third, look at the environment. Better ventilation, fans, where possible, air conditioning. Even small changes help. Fourth, acclimatization. If someone is new to a hot environment, ease them in gradually over days, not hours. And finally, watch out for each other. Heat stress can affect judgment. Sometimes a coworker notices the signs before you do. Here's your takeaway. Heat stress isn't about where you work. It's about the conditions you work in. Kitchen, warehouse, office, factory floor. If it's hot, humid, and poorly ventilated, your body is working overtime just to stay cool. Recognize the signs. Take the breaks. Drink the water. Because protecting yourself from heat isn't weakness. It's good occupational health, plain and simple.